Hi, Assalamualaikum and good morning my children.
Today we are going to learn A sound and E sound. Let's watch this video how Abis pronounce A sound and E sound correctly. Let's watch and try to pronounce it.
And the letters today are E and A, or you might know them as E and A. So when you see these two letters right next to each other, they make the sound E. Are you ready to practice? My turn, your turn. E.
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 And in a whisper voice. And in a silly voice. E.
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 Well done. Can you think of any words with the E sound in? Ooh, what about a type of drink? Something that I always have in the morning. A cup of tea. T-E. Tea. Your turn.
T-E. Tea.
T-E. Tea.
T-E.
And the letters today are E and E, or you might know them as E and E. So when you see these two letters together, they make one sound. Are you ready? They make the E sound. E.
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 E. E.
E. E.
Excellent. Can you think of any words with the E sound in? Have a look. What can you see? E. C.
E. C.
E. C.
E. C.
Excellent. Can you think of any other words with the E sound? What about something that's in your mouth? Something that's quite white? That's right. Teeth. You ready? E. Teeth. You might notice one of our other sounds. Let's practice that one again. E. Teeth.
E. Teeth.
E. Teeth.
E. Teeth.
Good job. Can you think of another word with the E sound? What about something that we all do every night? We go to sleep. Sleep. Sleep.
Sleep.
Sleep. Sleep.
Sleep.
Sleep. Sleep.
Sleep.
Super! What about something that helps us to walk at the bottom of our bodies? That's right, feet. Eat feet.
Eat feet.
Eat feet.
Eat feet.
Good job. Can you think of another word with the E sound? What about something that's black and white, flies in the sky? Bee. B-E. Bee.
B-E-B.
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 Well done.
Let's do exercise, page 30 until 31. Okay, don't forget, you write your day and date. Today is Thursday. Write down Thursday here. And how about the date? Today is 17th of June 2021. Okay, done for day and date.
Yeah.
Next, trace, read and match the correct word with the pictures. Kita trace dulu. Trace, read and kita matchkan dengan perkataan dan juga matchkan dengan gambar yang betul. Okay, we do the match. Do match first. Letter B. E slowly. A. Meet. Again, meet. Where is the meet? Here. Do the match. Meet. How about this one? T. So kita trace dulu. You trace first, you read, then you trace where the T. Ini I, T. So nanti kita trace the words. Kita trace dulu. Then baru kita matchkan dia. So the rest you do by yourself, okay? Seperti biasa, day and date. Today is Thursday. How about the date? Today is 17th of June 2021. A sound.
E sound. Trace, read, and match the correct word with the pictures. Let's say together. Feet, kaki. Tree, pokok. Cheese, again, cheese. Keju. Bee, again, bee. Lebah. Seed, apa tu seed? Biji benih. Biji benih. Kita panggil biji benih. Nak apa kita pakai seed dulu. Nama-nama besar macam ni. Okay, let's trace first, read and match. Feet. Let's trace the word first. Done. Again, feet. Where is the feet? Here, kaki. Match dengan ruler. Ruler is much better. Guna ruler, plus. Match. Done.
Thank you and credit for the phonics video to Abby Online Teach. Goodbye.